ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನಂಜಯ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ, ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಚಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ? ಕಾಲಗಳು ಎಂಬತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Question rises in our mind that what is a tense? ಏನು ಕಾಲಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಏನು tense ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ what do you mean by tense? Tense is which shows the time of a verb. Tense means which shows the time of a verb. Here we classified these tenses into three types. One has present tense, second one is past tense, and thirdly future tense. The tenses are classified into three types, that is as present tense, as past tense, and as future tense. Okay, and these let me go for the classifications of these three tenses. Let me tell you what is present tense. That is very much important here. What does the present tense shows? Question arises obviously. Yes, the present tense means here let me talk about the first one is present tense. What does it mean? Guys, present tense, what happens in present tense in the sense which shows the present time of a verb. Okay, present tense means which shows the present time of a verb. Okay, present time of a verb. Okay, which shows the present time at this moment. For example, I am standing, you are listening. Correct? He plays cricket, he is playing cricket. All these present forms. Rama loves to play cricket. He likes to drink juice. These are all which shows the present time of a verb here. Can you catch my point? So which means the present tense. And what is past tense, sir? What is past tense? Past tense means which shows, past tense shows the past time of a verb. Which shows the past time of a verb is called past tense. And thirdly, that is future tense. Future tense. Sir, what is future tense, sir? Future tense shows the future time of a verb. Okay, suppose let me give an example. He will study mathematics. Okay, I will play cricket. He is not playing, he has not played. He will play. Future form, bhavishyat kala. Okay, the present what do we call in Kannada? Vartamana kala. The past tense, which means ಭೂತಕಾಲ ನಡೆದೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, and future tense ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ ಕಾಲ ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Okay, and we categorize the tenses into three forms. One as present tense, as past tense, and as future tense, guys. And these three tenses can be classified into four. present tense can be classified as four kinds, and past form has its four types, and even future tense has four kinds. Let us discuss about the total kinds of tenses. How many kinds of tenses we have total in the sense? So here we have 12 kinds of tenses totally. Okay, so let's talk about the tenses. So let me go one by one. Okay, let me talk about present tense first. Okay. Present tense. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ವರ್ತಮಾನ ಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. What do we call in Kannada? ವರ್ತಮಾನ ಕಾಲ. So we have four kinds of present tenses. How many kinds of present tense we have? Four types of present tense. So first one is the simple present tense. Secondly, present continuous tense. Thirdly, present perfect tense. Fourthly, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so let us discuss about the simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense here. Okay, so what shows the simple present tense here? So, dear students, we need to understand that the simple present tense here, especially the simple present tense, the sentence are formed by putting the main verb into the subject here. Okay. So in the simple present tense, what happens here? We need to understand that in the simple present tense, the sentence are formed. How the sentence are formed? In the sense, the sentences are formed by putting the main verb to the subject. Okay, the main verb should be added to the subject. Okay, suppose. Okay, for example, let me give an example of simple present tense here. Examples. He plays cricket. He plays cricket. Okay. So the in the simple present tense, what happens? The simple present tense formed by adding or putting main verb to the subject. Which is the subject? He is the subject here. Can you catch my point? He plays cricket. She plays cricket. Understood. He drinks juice. She drinks juice. Okay. They play cricket. Okay. And the present continuous tense. Okay. What happens in the present continuous tense in the sense? So we need to understand that in the present continuous tense, the sentences are formed. Okay. The sentences are formed by using Is that clear? Okay, subject plus, okay, verb, helping verb. Okay, is helping verb. Is plus main verb, which is the main verb. Play is the main verb, plus ing plus object. This is the structure of the present continuous tense, my dear student. She is playing cricket. We are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. It is playing cricket. She is playing cricket. This is the main structure of the present continuous tense. Is that clear? Let me move on to the next point. Present perfect tense. So, how to frame the present perfect tense, sir? So, what are the rules? See, what happens in present perfect tense in the sense, my dear students, in present perfect tense, the sentences are formed. Okay, the sentences are formed by using have and has. Have and has. Have and has, okay, should be added the past participle verb and the plus and the past participle verb should be added, which is known as future form of the verb. Okay, past participle verb 2, verb 3 form, which is also known as, we call it as verb 3 form. Okay, so in the present perfect tense, the sentences are formed by using have and has and the past participle to the subject. Okay, can you catch my point? So, sir, when to use have and where to use has and has. For the singulars, we use has, my dear students. Singulars, he, she, it, and I is universal. Okay, though it is singular, but it is a universal subject. What do we call number? Okay, the numbers, what do we call? Not 1, 2, 3 numbers here. Numbers according to English grammar, it's a universal number. I and you, we, they. So here we use, sorry, has and have. Okay, has and have. Can you catch my point? Yes, the has is used for he, she, it. Okay, and have is used for I, you, we, and they. Okay, let me give some examples of it. So, the present perfect tense, what happens in present perfect tense in the sense, the present perfect tense are formed by using have and has with the past participle verb or verb 3 form to the subject. Suppose, okay, let me give an example of the present perfect tense here, which means he, okay, has, he has played cricket. He has played cricket, my dear students. See, as I have given the structure of the present perfect tense, your subject plus has, because it's singular, he is singular, has should be there, plus past participle form or verb 3 form, which is play. Okay, so in the past participle form, what happens? We should add ed for the main verb. So main verb plus ed past participle form plus object. This is the structure of present perfect tense. Is that clear? Yes. Let's move on to the next and last kind of present tense, is present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect, and what happens, how to frame the present perfect continuous tense in the sense, see, in present perfect continuous tense, my dear students, here the sentences are formed by using have been. Okay, so have been and has been. Have been plus and has been. Okay, so the in present perfect continuous tense sentences are formed by using by putting have been and has been. Okay, and we add ing plus ing to the main verb. Okay, got it. So let me give an example of the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, as I have written, he. What is it? So where to use have and where to use has, you know that. Okay, so have been used for plural forms and has been used for singular forms. So he is a singular form, so we use he has been. What is the main verb? Play. He has playing. We should add ing to the main verb. He has been playing which game? Cricket. So like this, we have to frame the present perfect continuous tenses, guys. Is that clear? Okay, let's have a quick glance of this present tense. Okay, so present tense means which shows the present time of a verb. Okay, got it? Here, the present tense has four kinds. Okay, namely simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Here simple present tense which shows the present form of the verb, I mean the present type of a verb. Suppose he, okay, the structure of the present, sorry, simple present tense is subject plus verb. Okay, main verb. Okay, got it. And the singular main verbs ends with s. Okay, suppose if I would like to give a plural example, they. If I use instead of they, here we don't use s form. Okay, so I use they play cricket. They play cricket. They play cricket because yes form only for singular forms. They play cricket. They will play cricket. Okay, understood. So here, when we go for present continuous tense, they play cricket. They are playing cricket. They have played cricket. Here we have used has for singulars. If we go for plural, it becomes they have played cricket. And for the present perfect continuous tense, they have been playing cricket. Got it? This is the difference between singular forms and the plural forms. Please remember this point. Okay, so that's all about present tense, guys. Okay, it is very important for the framing sentences and for in order to improve your communicative skills and for the translations also. So for many competitive exams, you will be having for PSI. Okay, for PSI you will be having a paper one which is translation, Bhashantara. Okay, so we need to translate English to Kannada and Kannada to English. For all these things, it is very much helpful, guys. Please understand. And in the next episode, we will talk about the past tense. So till then, take care. Bye bye. And I have a small request with you. you like this video, please like and share as much as you can, and please, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos and for the notifications. Thank you very much.